What's going on, guys? Joseph White here, and you're watching another J-Dub Twins video. Today I wanted to talk to you about another comment left on the channel. It was about my 5 things that I hate about my 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Widebody. And as I said, I love the car very much, but there are things, certain little things, and if I have to be super nitpicky, that annoy me. Anyways, the comment that was left said, buys a wide body, complains about the wide body. Yes, that's what's called buying something, reviewing it, getting to know the product that you bought, and making observations so that other viewers can watch and experience my vehicle vicariously through me. And like I said, I love this car. I love the look of it. I love the wide body. Can I complain about it? Sure. People love their girlfriends and wives. Do they complain about them? Absolutely. I can guarantee you that even the person leaving that comment on my YouTube video has bought something, loved it, but still has something to complain about. So, excuse me, guy that left the comment. First of all, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel, me and my brother's channel. But also, don't be a hypocrite. Be nice. You know what I'm saying? Not to mention the other person that left a comment saying, yes, I used the word hate, and I said hate's a powerful word, and I used it in my video. Shut up. I'm just messing around. I'm a nice guy. I'm about to do a merge onto the highway. You guys can watch. I had to get out and do something today. Thought I'd get some coffee. Motorcycle. I'd open it up a little bit. I'm telling you, man, this car is too much fun. Absolutely love it. Oh, another thing. Somebody left a comment about how much gas do I waste driving this vehicle. I will tell you right now. Although I go through gas very fast in this car, none of it is wasted. Every fluid ounce is worth it. Every fluid ounce of gas in this car is so much fun, and it's worth every penny when I fill this car up. Nothing is wasted. All fun, all play, all gas. 100% fun. So that's it, guys. I had to address a couple of comments that were made on the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.